Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, my name is God's Power, and on this my YouTube channel here, I share a simple way on how you can make money online from the strategy that I have learned, and I will come to this my YouTube channel to share it with my subscribers. So today, I'm going to show you step by step how you can invest into the stock market. So I'm going to show you how you can invest into the S&P 500. If you have been thinking about investing your money into the S&P 500, you don't know how it works, or you don't know what S&P 500 is. So S&P 500 is the 500 largest company in the stock market. Or I will say it in another way, is the 500 largest company in the US stock market. So that is one thing that I just want to let you know, and you know now what S&P 500 means. So how can you use it to make money online? First, when you want to invest into the S&P 500, you should pick the stocks that is growing in value. You believe that these stocks is going to grow in the next 2 years, in the next 3 years, with the research that you have done. That is what you have to still be focusing on when you are investing your money into the S&P 500. Look at what other investors are saying about that particular company that you're trying to invest your money on. It will give you confidence and it will give you trust that you can invest your money in that particular company. So that is one thing that I want you to still pay attention to. Second thing that I want you to pay attention to is company that used to pay dividend. Is what you get as to be an investor to that particular company. So whenever you are picking stocks that you want, S&P 500 stock that you want to invest your money on, you should pick S&P 500 stocks that is going to pay you dividend at the end of the year. Some pay yearly, quarterly, monthly, or daily. It just depends on the S&P 500 stock that you pick that you want to invest your money on. So I will show you some on this video, but you can decide the ones that you want to go and invest your money on with the research that you have to do so that you can start using it to make money online. So you understand now how you can use S&P 500 to make money online. I know you'll be wondering what is the minimum amount that you can use to start investing into the S&P 500 and start using it to make money online. So you can start with just a minimum amount of $1. Yes, I know you'll be shocked. Yes, you can start your investment with just a minimum amount of $1. So with $1, you can kick off your investment and start investing gradually, maybe monthly, daily, weekly. It just depends on you. So that is it. And on this video, I'm going to show you proof of my $300 plus investment, and you will see that I have made about $200 plus from that my investment on this video as proof, just to prove you right and for you to understand that what I am saying, I am doing it. I'm not just talking like a random person. So I'm going to show you now how you can create your broker account. I want to still let you know that the broker platform that I'm going to show you now, it might not be available in your own country. So what you can do is to search in your country the broker platform that you can invest your money on. So there's a platform that you can use to create your broker account in the country where I'm living: Revolut, Trading 212, and other platform. Let's say, for example, Robinhood, Lightyear. So there's more platform or more trading platform that I am using here in the country where I'm living. So in your own country, do research so that you will know the type of company that you can create your broker account from. So once you have created your broker account, then you can start picking the shares and start investing on them. So I'm going to show you my computer screen now, and I will show you how you can pick your stocks that you want to invest your money on, which is the S&P 500 that you can invest your money on. And you can see the year and you can calculate it so that you will not invest in company that you will lose your money from. And one thing that I want to still let you know on this video, I am not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to do what I am doing. I'm just sharing you a basic idea what I can do if I want to invest or if I want to start investing into the S&P 500. So this is just for educational purpose. Do your own research before you start investing into the S&P 500 or into the stock market. So let me head over to my computer right now. So guys, as you can see on the screen here, this is Trading 212, and you can see the application, how it looks on the screen here. It's a simple app that anyone can start using from anywhere as long as you are in Europe. This application is mainly for people who live in Europe. So if you want to try it out, all you just need to do is to test it if you live in Europe. But if you live in other country, you have to look for, like I've said before, you have to look for the brokers platform that you can use to create your broker account. and start investing from there. So that is it, and that is what I just want to show you. So let me log into my own Trading 212 account. So as you can see here now, this is my own Trading 212 account. On the right hand here, you can see this is my total volume. Value is the amount of money I have here. And you can see that I have gotten in total return of 242 euros plus, and you can see the rate of return is 92.8%, which for me is very, very good if you are investing into the S&P 500. This is what you want to be seeing. You don't want to be seeing things that is going to bring you down. You want to be seeing things that is going to be raising you up. What I mean by things is stocks that is going to be raising your money up. So that is it. What you can see here is the price of Nvidia. So this is if you want to invest in individual stocks. That is when you can use this tab here. You can see if I click on buy now, it's going to show me this tab, and I'm going to enter the amount here and buy the share that I want to buy. That is if I want to buy anyone here, but I don't want to buy anything. I'm just showing you how this platform look, and I'm showing you the proof that I have made profit here. You can see the profit, 242 euros in profit from my investment. If I scroll down here, you will see the cash that I have currently in my own account, and this is the total amount I have invested, and 11 euro plus on my own account. And if we scroll down here, you can see Nvidia. So what I did, I invest into the S&P 500 and I invest into individual stocks. And what I don't want you to use this method. This is just for educational purpose. So the purpose of this video is for you to invest into the S&P 500 because it's more secure than individual stock. I invest into individual stock because I like them and I feel like I can take that risk. So you should do research before you take any risk of investing into individual stock, which is one short stocks only. But when you invest into the S&P 500, you invest in 500 companies. So that is one thing that I want to let you know. This is one of the companies that I've invested my money into. I just want to show you proof and accuracy. I don't want to lie to you or try to push you around. No. This is one of the companies that I've invested my money on, which is Vanguard S&P 500 RCC, which is accumulate. When I click on it, it's going to open up here, and as you can see, Vanguard S&P 500, the ticket code or the tick code or the ticket code, whatever they call it, or this, let's just say the symbol code is VUAG, which is Vanguard S&P 500 RCC. So when we scroll down here, you can see that Trading 212, they have added analysis, a way that you can read information to get more idea about what this S&P 500, which is VUAG, is doing, how they are doing, if the market is good or not. So that is one thing that you are seeing here on the screen. And if we scroll down here, you are going to see the chart, what is happening to this company, and you can see piles of stock at the bottom here. But that is not the reason why you are watching this video. And one thing that I want you to still pay attention to before you invest into any S&P 500, you should check the expense ratio. That is one thing that you should pay attention to. So when we come here, you can see where they say expense ratio is 0.07%. This is the amount you are going to pay. So for them to manage your money, this is the amount of money you are going to pay at the end of the year. So that is one thing that you need to pay attention to. So you should pay attention to this. It's very, very important because a company there's some company that is taking like 1% to 3%. So imagine they're taking 1% or from like $10,000 or 2% or 3% from $10,000. That's a lot of money that you are losing. So pay attention to that. It's very, very important here. So that is one thing that I want to let you know. And this is the performance of this company, which is this S&P 500, which is VUAG, which is the ticket code. This is the annual performance return. They have 7.96% for the annual return of this investment, and that is if you stay until 1 year with them. This thing that you are seeing here is not accurate. It's not accurate. Why am I saying it's not accurate? because the market changes. So that is one thing. The market can move up, it can come down. So the annual percentage, it doesn't stay the same. It can go up and it can come down. So that is one thing. That is the advantage of investing into the S&P 500. So there is no like fixed amount to say you are getting 10% fees. It changes. Why am I saying this? Because I'm talking from experience. That is one thing that I want to let you know here. So once you scroll down here, you can go down, and these are fund allocation, which is the company that have invested their money on this platform, which you can see here: Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, Meta. When I click on see all, you are going to see a lot of them here. So you can see all of them here, all the company that have invested. You can see Google, Tesla. And if you click on settle here, you are going to see the type of settle that have invested their money on this platform. You can see technology, finance, financial, and you can see healthcare, you can see consumer, you can see communication service, industrial, consumer, stemples, energy, utility, real estate, materials, and it keeps on going and so on and so on. So, and if you click on countries here, you are going to see the country that is holding this S&P 500. You can see it's showing us here that is 100% USA. Let us say, for example, we search for like a company VOO. And once I search for VOO, you are going to see VOO have opened here. And if I click on it, it's going to open up. But what you are seeing here is that you cannot buy VOO in this Trading 212 platform here. I don't know why, but they have not listed or allow Europeans to buy VOO from Trading 212. But you can see the price and you can see the chart of VOO. So VOO is Vanguard S&P 500, and you can see the price of VOO here, which is $581.53. If you scroll down here, you can go through the charts and you can do the same thing just like we did in the other ones. But you will not see all the whole chart of what is happening in the VOO, because since they have not allowed people to start investing in VOO in this Trading 212 platform, they will not give us a lot of information. They will just give us the price only and the chart. So that is it. Let us also want to go out from here and want to go to, let us say, a particular place to do research about this particular company. You can come to this platform here, this website, which is Morningstar. If I'm making mistake, and if you search for VOO, it's going to open up, and you are going to see VOO here. I'm going to click on VOO, and it's going to open up. Let us also want to see the amount of money we are going to get as an investor to this company. What we can do, we can click on performance here. So once you click on performance, you are going to scroll down. You are going to go to annual return. You are going to see the annual return of this company, and you are going to look at what you can get at the end of the year. So this is what you get at the end of the year. So you can see here. Let us scroll down. After 1 year, for you to be an investor to this platform, you are going to get 0.83% after 1 year if you invest to this in this VOO platform. Let us say you invest 1,000. You are investing 100 euro every single month on this platform, which is VOO. Let us go and do the calculation so that we can decide amount of money we can invest if we want to start our investment. So we are going to calculate the amount of money that we want to invest. So as you can see on the screen here, now that we have come here, I'm going to enter, the price is already there, which is 1,200. This is if we want to invest $100 every single month. So we are going to invest $100 every single month, and you can see the initial investment is the total amount you are going to invest every single year. The initial amount is the total amount you want to invest every single year, and here you are going to enter the amount of money that you want to be depositing into that your broker account every single month, so which is $100. And here you can enter the years. How long do you want to do your investment? Let's just say, for example, 1 year. And if we put on 1 year here, and here we are going to enter the it said the estimate interest rate, so the amount of money you are going to get from that your investment. So we can come here and type 7.86. Let us go back and check it from where we did the analysis. Where did we even do the analysis? Which is here, and this is what we are going to get every year for we to be an investor to this platform. So what we need to do now is to take this percentage and go and calculate it. So let us go back, and we have already put the interest that we are going to get at the end of the year. And here you are going to click on it, which is the compound frequently, which is the how you want to calculate it. You know, it can be annually, semi-annually, quarterly, monthly, and daily. So I'm going to do annually. And now that I've entered everything, all I need to do here is to click on calculate. This is what I will get after 1 year. $2,494.32. And if we scroll down here, click on show more details, you are going to see it here. So this is the total amount we invested. Then at the end of the year, this is what we get at the end of the year. So let us say, for example, now you can see that we invested this amount, and this is what we get in return for being an investor. All these whole amounts here, the interest rate, the dividend, everything is included here. So that is one thing that you need to put in, and that is why you are seeing the price increase. So after the tax and everything, the money will come down. So this is just to show you how you can calculate it and see the amount of money you can make at the end of the year, and how you can estimate and budget it for your future. This is a good way that you can use to start investing for retirement, for those of you who want to start investing for retirement. So that is everything that I want to talk about on this video, guys. Only what I will ask from you guys right now is for you to just hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me know what you think about this video. I don't want to keep on talking. If there is things I didn't cover on this video, just ask me any question and I will reply you in the comment section. And guys, if you want to learn how you can make money with affiliate marketing, I want you to go to learn how you can make money with affiliate marketing with a free PDF that I have prepared. The link